Are you spending hours watching YouTube videos and struggling to remember the key takeaways? What if there was a way to summarize any video and turn it into a structured mind map? Well, with Mapify, you can do just that and boost your productivity in the process. Let's dive in. So, first things first, what exactly is Mapify? Mapify is an AI-driven tool designed to convert YouTube videos into mind maps. It extracts the most important points from any video, organizes them, and presents them in a visual format. This makes it easier to grasp complex topics without having to re-watch the video multiple times. It supports over many languages, making it a fantastic option for users worldwide, and it's super simple to use. Whether you're learning a new skill or just watching a video for fun, Mapify saves you time by providing a clear, structured summary of the content. You're probably wondering, why should I use Mapify? Well, here's why. Save time. You won't need to watch a video over and over to catch every detail. Mapify gives you a concise, visual summary of the key points. Enhanced learning. Studies show that we remember information better when it's visual. Mind maps make it easier to see connections and retain concepts in the long run. Boost productivity. Instead of spending hours sorting through notes or rewatching videos, you can focus on what matters, quickly processing and understanding the content. Now, let's get into the steps for using Mapify to summarize any YouTube video. Go to YouTube and choose the video you want to summarize. It could be a lecture, a tutorial, or even a random video you found interesting. Visit the Mapify website and paste the URL of your video into the YouTube Summarizer tool. Hit the Summarize button, and Mapify will get to work. Review your mind map. After a few moments, Mapify will generate a mind map, summarizing the key points of the video. You can then explore it, add customizations, and review the information in a way that suits you best. That's it. It's that simple. You now have a clear, organized mind map that summarizes the entire video. Let's try another one. Let's go again on the AITLDR YouTube channel. Let's choose the video about Clueless. Copy the link, go back to the Mapify, then paste link into the YouTube Summarizer tool. And here's the result. Now, let's talk about pricing. Mapify offers a flexible pricing model to fit your needs. So, whether you're a casual user or need frequent, in-depth summaries, Mapify has a plan that fits your needs. So, there you have it. Mapify is a game changer when it comes to boosting productivity and turning YouTube videos into clear, actionable mind maps. If you haven't tried it yet, head over to Mapify's website, try it out for free, and let me know in the comments how it's working for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more productivity tips and tools that can make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.